cause that be natural.
Lady
I ain't
D.
looking tacky. I keep my game tactful.
Yo.
Yeah, I'm so nappy.
M.O.B.
Cause that be natural.
The
I
infamous.
ain't looking tacky cause I keep my game tactful.
I'm so pretty, I'm so fabu, I'm so natural, it's like it's a taboo. I'm so filthy, got the tattoo, stuck in these bitches like I own ragu. On my business with my platoon, getting these minutes like I'm a typhoon. Y'all this jersey on that cartoon and I'm sitting on top. Hey guys, welcome back to Afros and Baby Hairs, and today we'll be doing another nails and designs experiment number 23. This will be a confetti inlay on natural nails. So this is just my take on how to achieve that inlay type of look to your nails if you do not want to use any artificial nails or anything like that. So if you're interested in seeing how I pulled this off, then please keep on watching. So yeah, in this clip I've already done one hand just so I could get a chance to practice as well as not take up too much time on this video. Anyway, I'm starting off by painting my nails with the Sally Hansen Hardest Nails Hardener. Even though I did this off camera, I did see spots where they wore off a little bit, just, you know, when I was tending to my dog. So I just wanted to replenish that. And then we're just going to move into me showing you the confetti colors that I chose to work with. Basically still going with the fall and winter theme or color scheme. So I chose red, yellow, and silver. Silver mainly because I basically wear sterling all the time. So I just wanted to go with that. And then, like I said, I did see some spots where my nail hardener had worn off a little bit. So I'm just filling those spots in. And then we're going to go ahead and go into doing our base coat, which is the actual fast drying top coat that I use by Wet n Wild Clear the Air. And I think it's 241A. So we're going to go ahead and work with one nail at a time. I am doing two nails on this hand. I'm doing the index finger and the ring finger. So we're going to start off by using the top coat as the actual base. And like I said, working with one nail at a time. I'm just going to place the graffiti where I want it or the confetti where I want it. Working with one color at a time. So that's what I'll be doing in this clip, is just placing the actual confetti and, you know, trying to get this look of an inlay type design. So, you know, I didn't want to just dump the colors on or dump the confetti on. I just wanted to place them where I wanted them to go and just go from there. So yeah, once you layer your confetti the way that you want it, you're going to go ahead and seal it in with the fast drying top coat. And you want to layer this on pretty thick because you don't want your confetti to move or anything like that. So you want to make sure that you are putting on a thick layer of top coat. And this will be considered your first layer of top coat. I'm just adding the little pieces that were still on the napkin. But like I said, you want to make sure that you are applying a thick layer of top coat just so that your confetti doesn't move or move around or anything like that. And this will be considered your first layer of top coat. All right, so right here we're just repeating the process. You want to start off with your fast drying top coat as your base, and then we're going to stick the actual confetti onto the actual top coat. And yeah, guys, you can apply your confetti with whatever tools work for you. Some people use the dotting tools, some people use pens. I'm using the actual tweezers because to me they work best for me. But you can apply your confetti with whatever works best for you. And I just wanted to say that. And moving right along, I'm just continuing to add the confetti onto the nail, just intricately placing it where I want it to go. Um, and I must say, I really don't know how I actually feel about this look. Um, at this point, I wasn't really feeling it, but you know, we're just going to continue on. So right here, I'm just using a dotting tool to press the actual confetti down into the actual top coat, um, just to get rid of that bumpy and textured feeling to the actual nail. And right here, I'm applying the first top coat to the index finger and just, you know, sealing it in. Just like on the ring finger, you want to apply a thick layer so that your confetti doesn't move. And this top coat is acting as the actual shell for the design or the confetti. So, and like I said, I'm using a dotting tool to press it down so we won't have that textured feeling to the nail. And occasionally I will press this down even more with my finger, just because I don't want that textured feeling. All right, so right here, this will be considered the second top coat added to the ring finger. So I'm just going to go ahead and tell you now that it does take several top coats to actually get the look that we're looking for, as well as to make the nails smooth on the actual nails that have the confetti. So we have the second coat on the actual ring finger and only one coat on the index finger of top coat. So now I'm just going in and painting my other nails the colors that I want those to be. And that's what I'll be doing in these clips, as well as applying the second coat of top coat to the index finger. So yeah. So the other colors that I'm using on the rest of the nails, as far as the pinky, I did use Street Legal of Sinful Colors, number 2538. On the middle finger, I use Sinful Colors Vacation Time, number 264. And on the thumb, I'm using Sinful Colors Dancing Nails, number 835. And this is the first layer of polish on those nails. And I'm just cleaning up any excess. So yeah, right here, I'm just pressing in that confetti a little bit more to make it flatter, especially since some of the top coat has dried. I can press that in. And now I'm going to go ahead and apply the second coat of top coat to the actual index finger. And once I get this on, we're headed to the nail dryer to sit under there for about 10 to 15 minutes. And then we'll move on. All right, so right here, we're adding the third coat of top coat to the actual ring finger and index